There we have it. Batch 2 going. Round 2 of the Christmas bake off. Look at those 2 go. Look at them knee. Look at the power in those muscles. It's a bake off. It's a knead off. Go Michelle. Go Michelle. Oh. Anyway, that is all we're gonna show off the starting process. The best part is the reveal when all the goodies come out of the oven. This part is too boring. Nobody wants to watch nobody knead. So here we have it, good folks. After all that kneading from my 2 best buds, this is what our dough looks like. We're hoping that by the time it doubles, it's up here. If they've done their job, we should have a bowl full of dough. We're hoping for about 9 to 10 loaves. So we would see, keep our fingers crossed, waiting patiently for our bread. We'll see. Okay, my good folks. So here is the delicious goldenness that is our second batch of Christmas baking. So here we have coconut sweet bread with raisins. Look at those. Look at those yummy. And we have another batch of cakes. Look, you know when I tell you guys about it being crazy, when crazy things happen when you're baking, look at this cake. This something collapsed. People fell right in. Look. You ever seen anything like that? A big old volcano crater. But we're gonna eat it still. We will love it. It's gonna be delicious. All the flavors in it, all the love is in it. That's all we care about here in this good old bake shop of K's and Company. So, hope you enjoy this, and I hope it's inspiration that, you know, do what you will and let it be. Let nature take its course. Oh, and the dough. Boy, look at that sucker. Look at the bowl, as I promised. It's practically full and it's gonna spill over soon. So we will have to get to rolling that out next, and we will make plain loaves. Excuse the noise, all the family is here. We're having a blast, a great old time. So lots of people milling around in the background and all of that. Dinner's just finished. Look at all the leftovers on the counter. It's a hot mess up in here, but that's just the way we love it. That's the love. That's the Caribbean for you. Yep. Hope you're all having a great Christmas yourselves. Peace out. Look at that, great folks. Look at that. Look at that baby. Oh my gosh. It is overflowing the bowl. Now that is some great kneading. That is Caribbean power. That is how we make That's how we make it greater again. That is bread. Now we're gonna roll out some loaves. Be right back. Couldn't help myself. Just could not help myself. I had to show off all this greatness. This is not machine done. This is like arm power, body boost, man. Yeah. That's the production line right there. See all of that? Those are unformed loaves. Getting rolled out. Look at that. Look at all that goodness. Woo-hoo. There's our gorgeous pre-baked loaves all rolled out. We made 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 loaves from all that dough. That big batch of dough that you see me showing off earlier. We have it all done. We have it all ready to bake. So that was a very successful, if I must say so myself, night of family get together, baking, carousing. The place is pretty much destroyed, but it's amazing and it's awesome. So we will bake those and we will do the grand reveal of our loaves. So there we have it, our final reveal of all that hard work. 10 beautiful loaves plus a baby that we've baked. All that kneading and rolling out of dough and good old fun. So this is from our kitchen, Christmas Eve 2024. That is our beautiful, beautiful homemade loaves. They're gonna be yummy. Christmas morning we'll get up and eat some of that for breakfast and share and gift and all good fun. These babies are gonna be well enjoyed with lots of butter, fried ham, scrambled eggs, you name it. Christmas morning goodies. Look at that. Oh, look at that golden goodness. Woohoo! Boy, did we ever do well. Look at me, I'm sweating. Look at that shine. Oh, hard work, I'm glowing. I'm glowing with hard work. Merry Christmas, people! Happy New Year!